place. That's where Mary fell asleep / died. It's in Mount Zion, and they renovated that place. So first of all, you can see more lights. It's not as dark as it used to be. This is the place that Mary fell asleep. Above her, you can see prefiguration of Mary. Esther, Eve, Ruth, so many other. The chapels are not, they are still renovated. I don't know, maybe they won't be here anymore, just to build chapels of Mary from the Catholic world. Here you can still see it. Maybe they will renovate it or not, I don't know. But it's the end of January. And in that area you can see the Pentecost. The Pentecost does not belongs to the Christians yet. Then this is the closest place to Pentecost. And it's a beautiful chapel here. But mostly, the most important thing is there are a lot of lights. Light, I can see everything. Church of the Dormition, the Abbey of the Dormition, January 2019, Jerusalem, Israel, Mount Zion.